y'all, and welcome to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Today I'm kind of like in a little corner of our bedroom, and I want to go over just a few things real quick before I get started with the video. But today I'm going to show y'all how I upcycled 2 garden trellises that I was not using, and I'm going to show you a method of how you can do the chippy paint look on it, and also put a little base on it to where it looks like it's got rust underneath it. And I'm going to show that in the video. But I don't know if you've ever gone out and shopped for metal ornate like wall hangings. And that's kind of what I was interested in. I wanted something that had that ornate design to it. And y'all, online, some of these pieces will run over $200. So I had 2 garden trellises that I had bought at Lowe's a year or 2 ago. And I think they were $9.98 each. And they were black, and I intended to spray paint them white and put them outside somewhere, and I never had used them. So I saw those the other day, and I thought, why not fix those up and put those inside and use them somewhere in my home. So that's what I'm going to show y'all today, and I'm going to give y'all ideas of the way that you can use it and you can decorate it and make such a pretty space in your home. And I also wanted to just go over a few things you'll see in the video that I've already made a video on how to make it. The ice cream bucket, of course, I did not make that, but I do have a video on when I purchased it at a yard sale, in a yard sale haul. So I've brought the ice cream bucket out and I've decorated with it. I've also, you'll see this in the video of how I staged the garden trellis with this. And there's a video on how to make this. And then also, I've got like a little wooden riser, a little pedestal. There's a video on how to make this. And also the little chippy trunk, I upcycled it, and it was a yard sale find also the same yard sale that I got the ice cream bucket. So I'm going to try to link all those videos down below if you're interested in going out and seeing those. And then also in the video, I'm featuring these little flower bundles. And I got these from a local antique store where I live. But he has an Instagram account, and he posts things that he's selling on Instagram. And he said he would be happy to ship. If it'll fit in a box or an envelope, he'll be happy to ship it. And he's a local vendor, of course, like everybody else. Local businesses right now, you know, are struggling because of the pandemic. So I'm trying to support, you know, as many of them as I can. And if you can, go out, join his Instagram. I'm going to have his information down below, but it's Stephen's Unique Antiques. Go out and follow him on Instagram, you know, and just watch the things that he posts. And you may see something that, you know, you may be interested in. You can get in contact with him, and I'm sure he would be, you know, happy to help you. And also, I got these little wax melts from him. He sells a big variety of different scents of wax melts and candles. And this is apple dumpling. Y'all, literally this smells just like a baked apple pie. So you might want to check in if you like wax melts that smell really good. He's got some great flavors in these. So I just wanted to give him a little shout out. And like I say, his information will be below. And then also I want to encourage y'all to continue to go and join my Facebook home decor page. And I'm going to have the name of it up in the middle of the video. But I want to give the shout out to my top 5 posters. You know, in every one of my videos, I try to take the top 5 posts and give a shout out to those people. So Linda has posted this morning on she's painting bundt pans. And go out and see the ideas she's got of what she's going to do with her bundt pans. And then I've got Christy. Christy just transformed this beautiful table with a cabinet doors on the front of it. And she stenciled it and made it into a really pretty shabby chic piece of furniture. And I think she's going to be selling that. So y'all go check out Christy's post and see how she transformed her table. And then I've got Lynn. Lynn posted some patriotic crafts. And one of them she makes out of a Pringles can. So y'all, there's so much creativity on there. It really blows me away. And then Jennifer, she takes 2 chairs and makes a bench out of it. That was very, very creative. And then Terry Terry made some beautiful Shabby Chic ruffle pillows, and she used her sewing machine, so it inspires me to want to get my sewing machine out and try to practice up on my sewing. So y'all, just to let y'all know, go over and join my Facebook group. We'd love to have you over there, and just post away. We love seeing the things that everybody makes. So I'm going to get on with the video. Thanks so much, y'all, for coming on. And I hope y'all are all doing well. And I hope you get some inspiration from today's video. Thanks, y'all.